starting to melt. It's much worse than what you saw yesterday. We got up close to 8 inches or so. There's an icicle hanging off from the house right there. That's how much. Back up. So much snow on top of the roof. It's about 7 inches or so. And there was more. The whole porch was covered. Got icicles hanging off the truck. All up underneath it. The battery's probably dead in that thing. It's an old battery from 2017 or 18. And the deal with the Nissan, which Nissan had the best tires for this type of weather. And I was trying to make some leeway to where I could make a trail to get up out of here. It is starting to melt though. Oh wow. Our neighbors came and made a big snowball. I wonder how they did that. See it rolled down right there. That might be an idea. The creek. I couldn't turn around. I was trying to take the garbage up to the road. And I was trying to follow my tracks back. But as I got right here, it's nothing but ice. It's breaking up now, it's melting. That's why if I can make some leeway up and down here a couple of times, I can melt it like that. But the tough part is getting turned around. Our neighbor's got a tractor. I try to get a hold of him. We are snowed in. We can't go nowhere. See all the snow still up in the trees. Get in this truck. Get warm. There we go. Take some layers off now. There you go, a little action. Oh, let me get my gloves back on. I'm gonna have to pause it. Okay. Made it up here to the front lot. See, it's starting to melt, so it's starting to look good now. I think hopefully by tomorrow we can be able to get out on, because we do need supplies. We got medication we need to get. Our neighbor was playing with a four-wheeler. It's just how much snow we've had. Somebody down there at the bottom. A little truck can do it. My truck, there is no way. My tires are almost bald on my pickup. Still a little icy. Yeah, it's starting to melt now. At least we'll have a way to get in and out. At least get up here to the front. Be able to get to our neighbors if they have supply. Snowstorm the day after tomorrow of 2025. Oh, he's flying a drone. That's what I heard the other day. Flying all the way up the road.